has opened so many doors for businesses everywhere to share information with their clients. Information conveniently at your fingertips, which is why we created OwnerNet, our unique portal that provides you, the homeowner, with management tools to easily oversee your vacation home. Once signed up, you will receive a username and password to your account where you can manage your reservation calendar, see any completed work orders, download monthly statements, and even check your current rental rates. OwnerNet gives you complete web-page statistics to see how potential guests are interacting with your property virtually on our website. This tool allows you to have complete overview of reservation statistics, property ratings, and also guest reviews to see what your guests are saying about your home. As a member of our vacation rental management family, we want to treat you like a VIP. Let's say you want to stay at your vacation property. You will receive discounted linens when you take advantage of our discounted departure cleaning service. We're also going to throw in a subscription to Coastline, our owner newsletter, which will keep you up to date on the rental market industry and the local community. Finally, if you love to play golf, we have the perfect gift for you, a VIP golf card, which provides reduced rates on local golf courses. It really is all about you.